Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB on Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using Python in artificial intelligence, and we have just also done many of the things using Python in data structure algorithm. And I hope you understand that all projects which we have done here. So today we are just building an amazing project using Python in artificial intelligence. And today I will be telling you that how we can just build an amazing quiz application using Python in artificial intelligence. So it will be really amazing video here. So remember to see this video from the start if you want to learn how we will be just building this amazing quiz application. And if you understand and enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. And after subscribing, hit notification bells, more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this project using Python and many different languages. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we are building this project using Python and what are the things included in this project from the start. So just like I'm telling you that today we are just building an amazing project using Python in artificial intelligence. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing that how we can just build this amazing quiz application using Python in artificial intelligence. So for building this here, I will be opening my folder which I have just located on downloads. Here if I show you, you can see this is my folder. I have opened this directly. This is my main file here. So I will be now just taking all the things from this file here, and now we'll be starting the codes in this file so we can build our quiz application, and we will be running it through our terminal or our cmd means command prompt. So now for running this, we have to just write a command which is called from datetime, because we have to import first of all from datetime, import datetime. So we have imported this. Then you have to write lives is equals to 10, name is equals to input, and I will be now just writing here enter your name like this. After writing, you have to now just make like this, and then move down, create print. And after writing print, you have to write here like this tag and write here hello. And then you have to write here comma plus name. Then you have to now just give a space after this like two columns which we are getting here. And after getting that all stuff, you have to just directly do one thing. You have to remove this comma from here and write here. Then after doing, you have to move down and create another print tag. Now you have to write a command here like you are here to solve the quiz like this. And I will be now just writing here created by, and then I will be writing school subjects. Then when you've written this, you have to now just directly move down, create print, and in print I will be now just writing here your goal is answer the questions. Then I will be now just writing here and to spend, and then you have to write here less time, and here I will be writing and save all like this. After writing this stuff here, you have to now directly do one thing here like here you have to write save all 10 lives like this. Now you can see we have just written this thing, so I will be now directly moving down after this. So like this, you have to move down and create another print tag after this tag. So for creating a print tag, again you have to write this print, then you have to write here to start the game type. Then I will be writing go like this, and I will be now just writing here dot and write here good luck. Then you have to make it like this thing. Then you have to write a is equals to input and create here a text which is called type here, means the user will be typing in this. Then you have to write if a is equals to 2 is equals to, then you have to write here go. Then you have to create a print tag here in which I will be writing time is started and make this. Then you have to write here st is equals to date time, and I will be writing dot now and then create this. And then you have to write here print, make this tag here and write like this. Write here ans answer is equals to input. Then you have to write here informatics like this. Then you have to write here what is brain. Then I will be now writing here of computer. After writing this tag, you have to give a space from here. Write here while answer, which is the short form upper. Then you have to create this tag and write here CPU like this. Write here and live, and then you have to write here 1. Then you have to move down, create lives. Write here s equals to 1, ans is equals to input, and create here wrong and write here be careful like this. I will be now just writing here you have only like this 0 lives. Then you have to now just close it, and then you have to write dot format and create lives tag here again. And after creating this, here you have to now just directly do one thing. You have to move down after this tag and create if lives, and then you have to write this tag is equals to 1. Then you have to create now is equals to date time dot now, and then you have to just move down, create print, and I will be now just writing here you lose. and then write this tag again. Then create here print tag. In print tag I will be writing time and then write here 0. Then you have to write here dot format and then write here now. And here I will be now just moving down, write here exit, make this, and then you have to write here print right. Then you have to write here keep going. Then again you have to now just do like this. Write here print tag again, just make it empty. ANS is equals to init input. Then I will be now just writing here math 2x plus 18 is equals to. Then you have to write here 84x is equals to. After writing this, you have to give a space from here as well. Write here the while answer. Then you have to write 33 and lives. Then you have to write here 1. Then move down after this tag. Create lives tag again. Write is equals to 1. ANS init. Then you have to write here input. Then write here wrong. Then write be careful. You have only. Then I will be now just writing here lives. Then you have to now just do one thing. You have to write here format. Then write here lives like this. Then you have to directly just remove this column because we will be not writing these columns here. Write here if lives. Then I will be now just making this tag here. Write 1. And after writing this, you have to now just create another tag which should be now equals to date time like this. Then you have to now just write here dot now like this thing, and then you have to write here dash st. Then you have to write print and write here you lose like this. And after writing, you have to now just make this tag here again. Create a print tag, and then I will be writing time 0. Write here dot format, and then you have to write here now. After writing this tag, you have to write here exit as well. Then create a print tag here, in which I will be writing awesome. Then I will be just writing here keep going, like I have written at the top. Then you have to move down and write here print tag again. So here I will be writing this print tag now. Then I will be making this and then write colon, and then you have to write nothing. ANS init, you have to write here input. Then you have to write here math square. So I will be writing here math square root of 225 like this. Then move down, write here while answer, and then write here is equals to 50 and lives. Then I will be writing like 50. But after writing, you have to move down, create lives dash is equals to 1. Write here ANS init. Then I will be now writing here input like this. Write here wrong. Be careful like this. Then I will be writing you have only 0 lives. Then when you've written this, you have to write here dot format. Give a space here. Write here dot format again. Then I will be writing here lives like this. After writing this thing, you have to now just write here if lives, and then write here 1. Then you have to move down and create now is equals to date time, and then you have to write here dot now, and here I will be writing dash st. Then you have to move down and create print, and then write here another tag which should be you lose, and then you have to move down and create print tag, create time 0 in this, and then you have to now just write here format. In format I will be writing now. So after writing this, you have to move down and then create exit like this. And here you have to write print, write here good, keep going. And now when you've written this command, again you have to write this mark here, then give a space to this column. Answer is equals to init input, and in this I will be giving a space and write here geography. And I will be now just writing here how many continents, and then you have to write here in the world. Write here question mark, give space. Then you have to write here while answer, and write here 6 and lives. Then you have to now just write here 1. Then you have to write here lives dash 1. Write here answer is equals to init, and then write here input. Create wrong, be careful. Here I will be now writing you have only 0 lives like this. Now you have to just do one thing. You have to give a space. Write here dot format here and write here lives. Now you have to save it here. After saving this thing, you have to run it. So for running, you have to go to your command prompt here and run it here. So I will be removing this created, which is written here. So for running it, you have to directly move at the top here, and then you have to go to your terminal. So for moving to terminal, just move to new terminal here, and after moving to new terminal here, you have to run this. So for running, you have to write a command python, and our file name is quiz.py. So I will be writing python quiz.py. Press enter. You can see now when I written here Python quiz.py. So our quiz game is running and it is saying enter your name. So I will be entering my name like this, Shalvik. Now he is saying me that hello Shalvik, you are here to solve the quiz created by school subject. Your goal is answer the questions and to spend less time and save all 10 lives. So you have 10 lives to in this quiz game and you have to save their all 10 lives to win this quiz game here. So now it is telling us that to start game type go. So we will be typing go and press enter. You can see now it is saying us that our time has been started. So it is saying what is the brain of computer. You can write any answer here. So here you can just write brain of computer. Like if I write CPU like this, press enter, you can see it is saying me that right, keep going. So now it is saying me that 2x plus 18 is equals to 84. X is equals to. So it is asking a mathematically question. So you can write answer of this question here. So if I write a wrong answer, like if I write 25, you can see it is saying me that wrong, be careful, you have only 9 lives. Now when you just press enter, you can see your game has been over and it is saying me that you have just saved 10 lives and you have just missed one life here, so you have now left 9 lives. So because of that you have lost the game and now you cannot win this quiz game. So like this we have just built this amazing quiz game here. This is a simple quiz game, not really like big quiz game which we have just created. So I hope you understand this amazing simple quiz game which we have just created. So if you have understand this project and if you enjoyed this video from the start, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. And after subscribing, hit notification bell so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using Python and different languages. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.